the rest of the day. Well, we're gonna zip line here and then we're gonna go to the beach. That'll be really fun. Probably play in the ocean.
We're gonna zip and we're gonna have some fun.
You feel like adrenaline and fun. It's very fun. It's amazing.
I love it.
It's awesome.
Well, it's quite interesting because you can see all the different animals. There's these crazy little monkey things growing all over the place.
I really like the chance that we get to have a break. The 2-hour games were really tiring, and so I'm glad that we get a chance to experience like the other side of Costa Rica other than soccer and the beach and all, just hang out with everyone here and all the food, and it's really beautiful.